Hey, you're kind of cute. Hey, hey, how's it going? Hey, are you new here? You must be new here. Are you new here? You must be new here. Are you new here? Do you work out? Hey, you coming back to my place? Oh, hey, do you need a spot? I can spot you. Yeah, do you need a spot? I can spot you. Yeah, let me spot you. Yeah, no, I insist. Come on. I mean, how many more sets do you have left? By the way, your technique looks really good. Oh, no, you don't have to clean the bench. Yeah, don't worry about it. I like it like that. I like the bench like that. Uh-huh. Yeah, I like it. Hey, are you done with the bench? Oh yeah, don't worry. I can clean it. Yeah, don't worry about it. I can clean it for you. Yeah. Hey, like just a little tip about your squat. You should just bring your knees out a bit more. You want me to show you real quick? Let me spot you. Let me spot you too. Let me just spot you. Hey, by the way, are you new here? Are you new here? Are you new here? Are you new here?